We are going to show you how to mount the no gap wall mount for the Frame TV on a wall. First of all, put the template on the wall, and once you've determined where you want to put it, drill the holes for it. So this is the crucial part where there are no studs because the holes for the mount are close by each other, and what you got to use is these toggle bolts, which are fantastic to mount when all you have is a wall without studs, or the wall, or where you want to mount the TV there's just drywall. So these toggle bolts just work on drywall, half an inch drywall, and we saw how they are inserted into the drywall. When you insert them, be very gentle with this plastic because they are fragile. If you have come across a metal stud, then the same way you inserted it into the toggle bolt, into the drywall, you want to insert it into the metal stud. And if you come across wood, then you can screw in the wood screw or lag bolt directly into the wood behind the drywall. So once that is done, what you want to do is screw in the wall mount that you have, the no gap wall mount. And once the no gap wall mount is up on the wall, you put in the piece on the TV. You might have done this earlier. In this video we're doing it at this moment. So screw that in, pull it out further from the TV so that it is in a position where it's further from the TV, and when you carry it, you can easily mount it into the groove of the wall mount. So if you look at the picture beside here, it will show you how exactly it is going to go into the groove of the wall mounting part. Now the TV is up and you want to push it back to its position so it's neat and nice and flat against the wall, and voila, you're done. And this is a project which was done above a staircase. If you have any questions, let us know. Please subscribe to our channel. If you have any videos that you would like us to make, please put it in the comments, and we would be able to make any kind of video for you to help you with your installation of any kind of TV on any kind of wall. Thank you. Bye for now.